A warm welcome to PCE-Instruments. My name is Lukas Ludwig, and today I would like to make you familiar with the operating of the magnet stirrer PCE-MSR 450. To start the magnet stirrer, you have to turn the main switch on at the front of the device. After turning magnet stirrer on, you can see in the display the last used usages. I can see in this case that the stirring speed was 870 revolutions per minute, as well as no time lapse was set. To start the stirring, we press the power key. You can see now the actual turning stand, which step by step goes up to the number of revolutions which I set. The magnet stirrer offers us the possibility the stirring speed to set in steps of 10 from 200 to 2200 revolutions per minute. For this we press the speed key. The value can now be changed using the plus and minus keys. The settings take place in steps of 10. By pressing the key longer makes it possible for a quicker input. The magnet stirrer offers the possibility when needed to set an automatic stirring time from 1 to 999 minutes. For this we press the time key, and then using the minus or plus key from us the wish stirring duration set between 1 and 999 minutes. When the value stops blinking, it is then accepted. Should the stirring time function be deactivated, you have to choose by the time sign the infinity sign. When turned off and turned back on again, the magnet stirrer starts with the last settings from me. The special feature here is the stirring direction anytime every few seconds automatically to change. For this serves the pulse key. Is the pulse function active, the LED lights up blue. To set the change interval, I press the pulse key and hold it down. Now I can, with the plus and minus key, I can choose a time interval between 30 and 99 seconds. A further function is a possibility to lock the keys. For this we press the lock key and hold this down for a few seconds. In the display L on is shown and then the keyboard is blocked. Is the key lock active, only the power key can be used. This key has though another function. This is the anti-slip function. Is the function active, the LED lights up blue. For this we press simply the slip key. This means when the magnet stirrer cannot reach the speed from me set because the viscosity is too high, then it regulates the revolutions automatically. One more possibility we have is the possibility to save all this data into the internal memory. For this we press the PROG key. Now we can, using the plus and minus keys, choose the memory location. The magnet stirrer offers me the possibility to save up to 99 storage locations. Further technical data as well as optional accessories you can find on our homepage at www.pce-instruments.com.